syndrome, a case report. Introduction: Lawrence-Bardet-Biedl syndrome, an autosomal recessive genetic disorder with variable expressivity, results from consanguineous marriage. It's a congenital ciliopathy manifesting with primary and secondary characteristics. Primary clinical features include rod cone dystrophy, polydactyly, central obesity, genital abnormalities, renal abnormalities, and mental retardation. Secondary clinical features include developmental delay, speech abnormalities, ataxia, diabetes mellitus, congenital heart diseases, and hepatic fibrosis. The most common clinical feature is retinal dystrophy. The patients generally have an onset of symptoms within first 10 years of life, and among them, the first complaint is poor night vision. Materials and methods: a 23 years old male patient presented to our OPD at Regional High Hospital, Kurnool, with the complaints of progressive diminution of vision, more marked at night time since childhood, which progressive diminution of vision in daytime are present. History reveals delayed milestone, mild mental retardation, slurred speech, obesity since childhood. He was born of consanguineous marriage. The other male sibling and parents were normal. On general physical examination, he had marked obesity, moon-like face. His height is 164 cm and weight is 91 kg, and BMI is 33.8 kg per meter square. Polydactyly is seen in both hands and feet. On ophthalmological examination, visual acuity is counting fingers close to face in both eyes. Nystagmus is seen in both eyes. Anterior segment is normal in both eyes. Here the picture shows that there is a obesity with moon faces and polydactyly of hands and feet. Fundus examination shows clear media, pale waxy disc, arteriolar attenuation and pigmentary lesion in macula, and peripheral retina shows bony spicule suggestive of retinitis pigmentosa. Other systemic examination reveals no abnormality. Lab investigation include complete blood picture, ESR, RFT, LFT, ultrasound abdomen, ECG and blood sugar level. LH and testosterone reveals normal. Lipid profile shows hyperlipidemia. Thyroid function test reveals hypothyroidism. As the patient is having retinitis pigmentosa, obesity, polydactyly, mild mental retardation, so the provisional diagnosis Lawrence-Bardet-Biedl syndrome was made. Discussion: Lawrence-Bardet-Biedl syndrome was first defined by Bardet in 1922 as an autosomal recessive disorder characterized by structural and functional abnormalities of organs and tissue with a diverse embryonic derivation. The 5 cardinal features: it imposes considerable morbidity and mortality. A prompt evaluation can able to better diagnose and manage this condition. Since most of the cases are associated with consanguineous marriages, the affected families should undergo genetic counseling.